Alright, this is my bike check. I'm going to start with the front, go to the back. I have a United Supreme SU3. That's what I bought. And so everything that's stock is from the United Supreme SU3. My top tube, the weld right here, snapped on that, so that's why I have a new frame. So I'll get started with the bars and the grips and work my way backwards. So, grips are OEI long necks. I like them a lot. They're basically the only grips I ride. Eastern bar ends. The only bad thing about those is the dirt goes through. I don't ride dirt, I ride street, so it doesn't really matter. Bars are stock, stem is stock, forks are stock. I actually really like this stem. I don't know, it's really short, so I like it. And the forks aren't, I didn't really notice anything about them, but they're strong, I guess. They never broke or anything. So, demolition tire with a cinema front ring and wheel, the whole wheel. FBM frame from I have no idea when. I bought it off someone at the skate park. Logo metal pedals. I love metal pedals, but I switched to plastic. I just bought plastic. Stock chain wheel, stock chain. Cinema back wheel, stock peg, and a Haro back tire. Shadow seat, which I sort of like, but let's see, like, you can't really see, but on the other side, this fabric's coming up, I guess from hitting it a lot. See this scratches right there? I'm probably just gonna electrical tape around it or something, because I do 180 bar spins, my pedal comes up for some reason. So that's my bike check for now, and I just ordered new parts. They'll be coming in on Monday, so I'll do another bike check when they come in. So that's it.